Hello students, today I am going to teach in GK subjects chapter number 10 Dances of India. In this chapter given some state and its dance. We identified the picture one by one. So open your page number 15. First picture of Kathak dance. Kathak from Uttar Pradesh, another popular and recognized form of classical Indian dance. It Kathak that originated from Uttar Pradesh in North India. Second picture of Bhangra from Punjab. Bhangra originated in the Punjab region of India. Traditional good harvest was celebrated by dancing and singing song to the sound of the dole drum. Now third picture of Garba from Gujarat. Garba is a form of dance which originated in the state Gujarat in India. The name is derived Garba Deep. Many traditional garbas are performed around generally lit lamp or a picture of statue of goddess Shakti. Fourth picture of Kathakali from Kerala. Kathakali is a traditional Indian dance native to southern state of Kerala. To perform, its artists deck out in elaborately costume and colorful masks up to tell story from Hindi epic. It takes students nearly by 12 years of training to learn choreography and gesture necessary to Kathakali. 5 pictures of Odissi from Odisha. Odisha dance, also known as Odissi, is one of the 8 classical dance forms of India. Its origin Orissa in eastern India. It is the oldest surviving dance form of India on the basis of archaeological evidence. Now 6 picture of Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam is traditionally a term performs art that consists of solo dance accompanied by musician and one or more singer. The theory behind the musical notes, vocal performance and the dance movement trick. Back to the ancient Natya Shastra and many Sanskrit Tamil Nadu texts such as the Abhinaya Darpana. 7 picture of Manipuri from Manipur. Unlike other classical Indian dance with religious theme, the Manipuri dance artists do not wear ankle belts and the footwork is subdued and gentle in the Manipuri style. The state movement is part of a composite movement of the whole body. Chali or Chari is the basic dance movement in Manipuri Ras dance. Last picture. Bihu from Assam. The Bihu dance is an indigenous folk dance from the Indian state of Assam, related to the Bihu festival and an important part of Assamese culture. Performed in a group, the Bihu dance are usually young men and women, and the dancing style is characterized brisk steps and rapid hand movements. Now we answer the following question. First, in which state Kathak dance is represent their culture? Uttar Pradesh. Second, in Punjab, which regional dance represent their culture. Bhangra. Third, in Gujarat, which regional dance represent their culture? Garba. Four, in which state Bharatnatyam is represent their culture? Tamil Nadu. Fifth, in Kerala, which regional dance represent their culture? Kathakali. Sixth, in which state Odissi dance is represent their culture? Odisha. Seven, in Tamil Nadu, which regional dance represent their culture? Bharatnatyam. 8, in which state Bihu is represent their culture? Assam. Now we read hard words. UTTARPRADESH. Uttar Pradesh. BHANGRA. Bhangra. GARBA. Garba. TAMILNADU. Tamil Nadu. KATHAKALI. Kathakali. ODISHA. Odisha. BHARATNATYAM. Bharatnatyam. ASSAM. Assam. Now continue chapter 11. India's first. Open your book page number 16. In this chapter, given some picture of India first. We identified one by one picture. First picture of Jawaharlal Nehru. The first was Jawaharlal Nehru of the Indian Congress Party, who was born on 15 August 1947. When India gained independence from the British Raj, serving until his death in May 1964. Nehru remained India's longest serving Prime Minister. Second picture of Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Devi Singh is an Indian politician who served as 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. A member of the Indian National Congress, Patil is the only woman to hold the office. She previously served as the Governor of Rajasthan from 2004 to 2007. She was born on 19 December 1934 at Nordgaon. The third picture of Rabindranath Tagore. Indian association with the Nobel Prize goes to back across century and latitude. Poet, writer and thinker Rabindranath Tagore brought glory to the country when he became the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for the country. The 52 years old Tagore was accorded the honor in 1930, 12 years after it made its debut. Four picture of Nepalese Tenzing Norgay. Nepalese Tenzing Norgay, GMOSM born Nargol Wagri and also referred to as Sherpa Tenzing, and a Nepalese Indian Sherpa mountaineer. He was one of the first two individuals known to reach the summit of Mount Everest, which has accompanied with Edmund Hillary on 29 May 1953. He was born on 29 May 1940 and died on May 1986. Fifth picture of Indira Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was an Indian politician and central figure of the Indian National Congress. She was the first and the last only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, his first Prime Minister of India. Rakesh Sharma. 1 April 1984, Sharma became the first Indian to go into space when he flew aboard the Soviet rocket Soyuz 11. He was sacked on 20 September 1982 become a cosmonaut and go into space as part of a joint program both Indian Air Force. Now, 7 picture of Avni, Bhavna and Mohana. Bhavna Kant is one of the first female fighter pilot of India. She was declared as the first combat pilot along with the two of her cohort, Mohana Singh and Avni Chaturvedi. The trio was included into the Indian Air Force Fighter Squadron in June 2016. 8th picture of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad, 3rd December 1884 to 18 February 1963, was an Indian independence scholar. The first President of India in office from 1950 to 1962. He was born on 3rd December 1884 to Jiradai and died on 28 February 1963, Patna. Now read question answer. First, name the first Prime Minister. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Second, name the first woman president. Pratibha Patil. Third, name the first Nobel Prize winner. Rabindranath Tagore. Fourth, name the first man to climb Mount Everest. Nepalese Tenzing Norgay. 5. Name the first woman Prime Minister. Indira Gandhi. 6. Name the first man to go into space. Rakesh Sharma. 7. Name the first President of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 8. Name the first IAFS woman fighter pilots. Avni, Bhavna, Mohana. Hard words. PT, JAWAHAR, Jawahar, LAL, Lal, NEHRU. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. PRATIBHAPATIL. Pratibha Patil. RABINDRANATH. Rabindranath TAGORE. Tagore. NEPALESE. Nepalese TNJING Tenzing NORGAY Norgay. Nepalese Tenzing Norgay. INDIRA Indira, GANDHI Indira Gandhi, RAKESH Rakesh, SHARMA Rakesh Sharma, DR RAGN DRA PRA SAD Dr. Rajendra Prasad, AVANI Avni BHA WANA Bhavna MOHANA Mohna. Again we repeat. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Pratibha Patil, Rabindranath Tagore, Nepali Tenzing Norgay, Indira Gandhi, Rakesh Sharma, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Avni Bhavna Mohna. Again we repeat question answer. Name the first Prime Minister. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Second, name the first woman president. Pratibha Patil. Third, name the first Nobel Prize winner. Rabindranath Tagore. Fourth, name the first man to climb Mount Everest. Nepali Tenzing Norgay. 5. Name the first woman Prime Minister. Indira Gandhi. Name the first man to go into space. Rakesh Sharma. Name the first president of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Name the first IAFS woman fighter pilots. Avni Bhavna Mohna. Students, you can all understand and you copy down in your notebook.